Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups.
George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups.
Can we go out to play now, Mummy?
Oh, all right, you can go out and play. But look after George.
Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups have gone. I know a better way to cure hiccups.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. He's only little.
Sorry, Mummy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups.
George's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 beakers of juice.
George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again.
I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.